What's up guys, Matt Collins-Jones, MCJ, back with another video. And look, I'm not at my computer, although my computer's just over there. Today we have a special video. So if you follow me on things like LinkedIn and Twitter, you may have seen that recently I was awarded the FTRSA, which stands for Fasttrack Recognised Solution Architect from Microsoft. It's a recognition that Microsoft give out for people that create excellent flows and solutions and applications and things like that at enterprise scale. So I went through the process recently and was awarded it in shocker, Power Automate. So now today Microsoft actually sent me a box and we're going to do an unboxing video. So let's get into it. So here it is. It's quite a large box, so let's open it and see what's inside. Ooh, goodies! So we've got an envelope here that says Microsoft on it. It does not say confidential, so that's always a good sign. So we'll put that there for now, and we'll take a look at some of the other goodies that are inside here. So this looks like a nice water bottle. So this is a Yeti water bottle. It's got the FTRSA logo on it, which is like that. Probably just hot and cold drinks as well, probably. Let's have a look. Patent pending, designed in Texas. Okay, so I'm going to assume it does hot and cold drinks. We'll probably open that up and take a look at that. Let's put that over here for now. Also got in here, we have transformer phone mount, so luggage handle. So I guess this is something where you can clip your so a transformer phone mount, so you can clip your phone to different things. So you can clip it onto some different things, kitchen cabinets, phone desks and stuff like that. It says so kitchen cabinet, in flight. So when you're off plane, in flight again, luggage handle as well, so you can connect your phone. So you can maybe make excellent YouTube videos like this. Okay, maybe not like that. Okay, what else we got? We've got a pair of headphones. So these are some JBL Harman, not Hardman, smart ambient headphones. So they've got 32 hours of battery life. 8 hours plus 24 in the case, so it's a rechargeable case, which is pretty cool. I'm always like in need of headphones, and I never know if I've got any, and if they're around, and if they're charged, and everything else. I might just whack these ones in my backpack, and these can be my travel headphones. So I'll have to try these out. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Ooh, again, speaking of headphones and sound and stuff like that, looks like we've got a Bluetooth speaker, pocket Bluetooth speaker. I wonder if I can actually fit this in my pocket. Is it fully waterproof? So if you are swimming with a speaker, disturb the fish in this ocean or something. But yeah, so this is a fully powerful bass up equalizer, 100 plus speakers, waterproof. 15-hour playtime. It's USB-C. Yes, finally. We love USB-C things. We don't like things that are not USB-C. This is dirty. I think this is the packaging, the black packaging here, which looks very nice and everything, but it's a bit, it's come off a bit. So yeah, I wonder if it can fit in my pocket. I might do a test, fitting it in my pocket and then see if it fits in my wife's pocket, because men's pockets and women's pockets are completely separate things. So, right, okay, so we've got a letter here, which I might open later and then show you. And then we've got this, which is exceedingly heavy. Has my name on it, Power Automate, Matt Collins-Jones, Capgemini. So, what we'll do is we'll probably do this. There we go, seamless transition there, and it may have rotated a little bit, but yeah, this is a statue. So we've got it says Microsoft Power Platform, Fasttrack Recognised Solution Architect, Power Automate. Matt Collins has got my name in it as well, Matt Collins-Jones, and My MVP award doesn't have my name in it, I don't think. And then it's got this this cool little ring, this 2024 ring. So I was awarded this year in 2024. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's really cool. That's a really nice touch. It feels quite heavy, which means it's expensive. That's a Jurassic Park joke for those that aren't millennials. So yeah, that's a cool statue. That's going to look great up on my shelf, so I can't wait to get that up on my shelf. I'm just going to take a look at the letters, so if you just bear with me. So yeah, I've opened the letters. I'm not going to show them. They basically just say that, you know, congratulations and everything else. There's a letter from the head of business applications and cloud applications as well, like Charles Lamana. But yeah, these really cool blue Power Automate Fasttrack Recognised Solution Architect stickers. I love this. So I got 3 of them, so I'm going to absolutely stick them on a couple of laptops. So that's really cool as well. So yeah, that is the FTRSA swag box. That's pretty cool. I've really enjoyed opening this and opening up videos. So we'll see. If other people like it as well. So yeah, back to me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this sort of video, or if you're interested in learning more about the FTRSA program, let me know in the comments down below, and I can maybe make a follow-up video about what is the FTRSA, how do I become an FTRSA, the process and things involved. So let me know if that's something that you're interested in. If it is, let me know and I can make a video on it. And yeah, if you like this video, if you like it, and share it and comment and do all the other things, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.